Welcome to another Titan Crypto Club video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a deposit so that you can use that to purchase your first Titan Crypto Club pool. Okay, so we're logged in to the account that I'm going to use now for the purpose of recording this video. And first we need to go to the pools list so that we can click on start and purchase pool number 1. There's also another way to get here if you go to your matrix. And as you can see, pool 1 is not active yet, and I click on activate pool. It takes me to the same place as if I clicked. So I'm back in the pool list section right here, as you can see. But we cannot yet purchase the pool because it says select account and everything is still 0, right? So right now this is not going to work. I will have to make a deposit first. And I can do that if I go to the finances section, then to balances, then the deposit balance. And right here where it says make deposit, I can use Bitcoin to make a deposit to this wallet address right here. I click on this button to copy it to the clipboard. Right here it says ref link copied successfully. Okay, that needs to be corrected. And then I use that and paste it into my Bitcoin wallet. Then I enter the amount. Since we know that a pool costs $14, but we also have a 2.5% transaction fee, deposit fee. So you have to send some more BTC. So don't send exactly 14 USD worth in Bitcoin, but add some more. So if you send 15 USD in Bitcoin, you should be fine to also cover the deposit fee, which is very important because otherwise you're going to send Bitcoin to your account, but you won't be able to purchase your first pool if you haven't deposited enough. So let's go back here. I will deposit a little bit more because I also want to be able to show you in the next video how to make a transfer to another user's account within Titan Crypto Club. So I'm going to send 50 USD worth of Bitcoin and I will hit send right now from my Bitcoin wallet. There you go. That little sound was the confirmation from my Bitcoin wallet that the BTC got sent. So the transaction is completed there. I don't see it here yet. As I told you in the dashboard tour, that there's always a network confirmation that has to take place. So if you're sending Bitcoin for the first time, it always takes a while, up to an hour, maybe even a few hours. If you want your BTC to get deposited fast, you have to increase the network fee that you're going to pay to the Bitcoin network, okay, for your transaction to get confirmed faster than usual. But right now we should be able to see that in the pending operations. See, now it shows. It just takes a little while, okay, so no worries, don't freak out if something doesn't immediately show up. Right now it's a pending operation because we're still waiting for the transaction to get confirmed on the Bitcoin network. And as you can see right here, my amount is $48, but I entered $50 in my Bitcoin wallet. So that's the 2.5% transaction fee that gets deducted from the amount that you send to Titan Crypto Club. So make sure that you always send a little bit more than what you want to use within the system to purchase your pools, okay? Take a calculator, just add 2.5%, make it 3% to make sure that you get enough funds into your account that you will then be able to use to purchase a pool. So right now I'm going to pause the video here, and in the next one, once the deposit got credited to my account, and it will show up here in the balances. So right now it's still not here in the balance history because it's in the pending operations, as I just showed you. So when that's finished, I will show you how to purchase your first Titan Crypto Club pool, okay? So pause it for now, see you in the next video.